Good morning, dear students. Here, this video is of the second part of the poem "The Road Not Taken." In this video, I will explain the remaining 8 lines of the poem. In my first video, I have explained about this poem, the starting 8 lines. So here, just I am going to explain the remaining 8 lines. I have made here, dear students, that poet was at the diversion point, road 1 and road 2. So now the poet is going to tell us that how what the condition of both roads in the morning if someone wants to see, and both that morning, both roads, double roads in that particular morning equally lay refers to looked same. I have written, you can write down. So in the morning time both roads looked in the same way. How they looked? In leaves no step refers to the footprints of the traveler or tourist. It means in the morning none has gone over the two roads, over the two paths, had trodden black. Trodden refers to walked over. According to the poet, no one has gone in the morning time on the both path, both roads, and that's why the leaves were not in black color. We can see in the same color of the leaf as they were. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Now the poet regrets because he had left the first road for another day. Another means next time. So through the line, the poet wants to convey the message among us that we should not leave any opportunity, any good option while we are going to select to make our career. So here the poet regrets that, oh, I left the first road for another time, for next day. According to the poet, he should not leave that first road because both seemed same. Yet knowing how way leads on to way. Yet knowing how way. The poet is saying here that yet knowing, what knowing? According to the poet, he knew very well about the secret, about the matter. What was the secret? How way leads on to way. How way leads refers to how the road leads forward, just forward way. Forward way refers to it's not possible if we select any road, any goal, stream, option in our life, so it's not easy to come back. It means the road goes forward. The stream we take forward. हमें अगर कोई भी गोल सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो आगे की तरफ ही ले जाता है और उसमें कई सारे डायरेक्शन मिलते रहते हैं. सो इट वॉज नोइंग बाई हिम, इट वॉज नोइंग बाई द पोएट. सो आई डाउटेड इफ आई शुड एवर कम बैक. दैट्स वाई देर वॉज सस्पेंस, देर वॉज डाउट इन हिज माइंड. एंड वॉट वॉज द डाउट एंड सस्पेंस इन द माइंड ऑफ पोएट? हियर we will see that after thinking, he is presenting his view that there was suspense in his mind regarding the first road. He will not able to go again, he will not able to select the first road again because he has passed miles away on the second road. So in the 4 lines, the rhyme scheme: lay A B A A B A B A A B. Further, the word O is used. O refers to the figure of speech. Here we can say, because it produces sound. So onomatopoeia we can say. Further, I shall be telling this with a sigh. The poet is saying here, I shall be. Shall be means I will tell. What tell? This. What this? The happened. What happened? Which happened before him. How he will tell? With a sigh. Sigh refers to deep sigh, deep breath, long and deep breath. So while we tell someone else about a past thing, either we get success or failure, so we take the story or the secret to the people taking the deep and long breath. जब भी कोई हम लोग अगर सफल होते हैं या असफल होते हैं तो उसकी कहानी किसी को अगर बताते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग एक गहरी सांस लेकर के बताते हैं. द पोएट इज सेइंग हियर दैट ही विल टेल लाइक दिस: somewhere ages and ages hence, after many years or after few years, when someone will ask or I will tell about my secret, about my situation, about my problems further, next time, in future. How he will tell? Hence, as a result, somewhere two roads diverge in a wood. I will tell them that once upon a time, in my starting of the career, in my life, I had 2 options. Here he is related to a forest. I had 2 ways, I had 2 paths which goes to the forest, and the poet refers here, I took the one less travelled by, and at that time I took the way, the path which was very less used by the people, on which very few people had walked, had gone, had used, and that has made all the difference. And that's why this situation, because while you will study about the biography about Robert Frost, you will find out that in his starting day, while he selected the career of poet, he was not happy, but later he became happy. So here both meaning difference, success and failure. According to the poet, at last he was happy to his option means to his selection of the career, his profession of the poet. So according to the poet, while you are going to make your goal, while you are going to select stream, while you are going to take any decision, you should or we should be careful and thoughtful way. We should select the appropriate option. For that we must pay attention over that. We must think about the merits, demerits, importance, etc. So it was the message through the line of the poem by Robert Frost. So here also rhyme scheme: sigh, similar word, sigh, I, by. So A, hence difference B. So rhyme scheme A, B, A, B. In whole poem, the poet has used the visual imagery. He has presented his view in visual way, in imagery way. So that's why whole poem covers visual imagery. Some other elements I have told you the first part. So you will read this poem, you will recite this poem, and will try to know the explanation, the meaning, the word meaning, and the real sense of the poem. Thanks to watch this video, my dear students.